Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best workout timer that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best workout timer. When working out, everyone will always wish to get the best results. By timing your workouts, you can always know areas to improve on. This, therefore, means that you need to invest in the best workout timer that will serve you accordingly. Number 5 EMDMAK 100-hour dual count workout timer. This is a perfect dual timer that allows you to set 2 different times at the same time. This implies that it can be used by more than one person when working out. Main features: large LCD screen, adjustable alarm sound, 1 in dual timer. Number 4 Everlast interval training round timer. It has the adjustable rest periods between the rounds. With this, you can always adjust the timer whenever you rest. The affordable timer also has a detachable belt clip. Main features: adjustable rest periods, dual interval timer, detachable belt clip. Number 3 Flex Home Edition workout timer. The timer has been designed to suit different workouts like fitness boot camps, CrossFit, 7-minute workouts plus other interval training. The timer is easy to read. Main features: 3 inches LED screen, multi-purpose timer, widely compatible. Number 2 Datex Miracle Time Cube workout timer. This timer is easy to use since it has not switches and buttons. The timer works by turning the Fit Time Cube to allow it to begin the countdown. It can count from 10, 20, 30, and 60 seconds. Main features: alarm ringer, versatile timer, ergonomic timer. Number 1 Gymboss interval timer and stopwatch. It is a reliable and versatile device that is suitable for use with the weightlifting, strength training, and Body for Life among others. This multi-purpose timer has a built-in stopwatch. Main features: compact interval timer, built-in stopwatch, removable belt clip. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.